Hey guys, welcome to All You Gotta Do Is. Today I'm just showing you a reveal of my family room Christmas tree. This is where we hang out in this room with the kids, and I wanted to show you a little bit of my Christmas tree. I hung some of these wooden stars from the ceiling around it, the Christmas tree, which I think just adds a little bit of prettiness to it. They don't have a ton of glitter on there, just a little bit to give it a little bit of sparkle. Those don't shed either, so that's good. I don't know where I got those from, but I've had them for years, and I just thought this year let's just put some around the tree, hang up in the ceiling. Now what I do is I use a bunch of thumbtacks. Thumbtacks are my friend because I figure they make such small holes that I really don't have to do a lot of repair once I'm done with hanging the stars. So I can go back even next Christmas and, put the thumbtacks in the same hole locations, or I could just make new ones. But to get a little bit of ceiling touch-up paint, if you don't want to do that, it's really easy to touch that up. So on the top of my Christmas tree, I just put this glitter red and white. Here's a better closer up look of it. I don't know, I just adore this ribbon. It's like red and white stripes with this glitter on there, and on the back it's just like plain red and white. And then I got this kind of white see-through, same kind of glittery ribbon. I just love that it's kind of like a more of a pinkish red than red. You can see this ball here is like red, and this one looks a little bit more on the pinkish red scope to me. And so I loved decorating the tree with that colored ribbon because I didn't want it to be too much red. I wanted to lean more towards like Candyland Gingerbread theme. So I got a bunch of ornaments. Of course, if you shop at Hobby Lobby, you've seen these. Messing up my own tree here. You've seen these donuts a lot. Oh my God, I'm just destroying my tree as I'm trying to show you guys. You've seen these a lot. You've seen the cupcakes. This, I'm thinking I got this garland from, I want to say Michael's, which is just this long candy garland. Oh, maybe it was years ago, but I just never used it because at the time my Christmas tree that I was doing back then was just all kind of like glam and silver and, sophisticated. But now that I have kids, I have an excuse to do these fun little things. This gingerbread we got from Hobby Lobby, and you've seen the s'mores, hopefully, which this is just amazing. This s'mores and this lollipop. It's so cute. And this epic, I haven't even taken the tag off this. This epic cupcake is huge. It was $14.99, but of course Hobby Lobby has it for 50% off. But I just shoved it in there. Cupcakes busting out the tree. And I got this, actually, this candied pretzel is beautiful. I think it's like a glass maybe. No, I don't know what it is. No, it doesn't feel like glass, but I got that one from Walmart. These little houses, look at this little gingerbread house. That's from Hobby Lobby. These candy canes right here are from At Home. These are from Hobby Lobby. And, I got this from At Home. Our first Christmas in our new house. And like I said before, we moved from Minnesota to North Carolina. So this is our first Christmas in our new house. Now, I got these from Macy's, and they were $10 for a pack of like 4 or 5 of them. And hot cocoa is inside of them, and you can take it out and use this as a little ornament. And I love the color scheme because I was trying to do pink, red, teals, and not like dark teals, like light teal. Like when I say teal, I guess it's like a teal or light greenish color, or light greenish bluish color, which is what this hot cocoa cup is. I was trying to do colors like that. So pink, tealy blues, and red. Excuse my kids, they're playing in the background. I got this one from at home. Actually, my kids got that one for me. And some of these other ones, I think I got this one from Walmart. Isn't that cute? Look at this ice cream. Isn't that cute? And then I don't know about you guys, but I like to go like thrifting from time to time and pick up like, you know, little ornaments that fit the theme of my tree. But for this one, I haven't had a chance to go thrifting yet. But look at these humongous suckles is what we call them. But a lot of people call them lollipops. But I grew up in Chicago, and in Chicago, they would call them suckles or suckers. So it's so funny because I'm like, look at this suckle. But here, you know, every place else seems like they call them lollipops. So I love those. And on the top of my tree, I just put like one of those big cupcakes. I can't wait to get more of those next Christmas for next year, because since I have a bunch of ornaments on there, I'm just gonna get some more lollipops and some more big huge cupcakes and pretzels and things, and do a lot more DIYs. And of course, I have 3 kids, guys, so I don't know if you're like me and you, first of all, one bad thing that I do is I try to hide the presents from the kids, but then end up hiding them from myself and I can't find them. So that's one thing I have to fix. But another thing I would do is I would wrap things, and then for Christmas, I would always say to myself, oh, you'll remember what everyone's gift is. But then come Christmas, I'm guessing, because I forgot. By the time Christmas comes, I forget what was in each gift, because it's a lot of gifts underneath the tree at that point. So what I do is I just buy 3 different types of wrapping paper for each kid, and I assign that kid their wrapping paper choice or color, and everything that's wrapped in that color is that kid's, or that pattern is for one kid, and everything that's wrapped in another one is a different one. Like everything that's striped is for my son. Everything that's gingerbread, like this gingerbread man thing, is for my little son. And then everything is this colorful colorful llama Christmas paper is for my daughter. So, and then the music notes, since my husband does a lot of music, those are for him. Any ones that it's like that's like that is for him. Now for gifts for kid toys, you know, there's always some awkward toy that is really hard to wrap in the box. So I got these big sacks. Those are great for odd presents. You can throw them in there and then keep it moving. But because I have small kids, you know, I still have to have mine wrapped because they'll try to peek inside. Now those are thin, so it's a good idea to maybe kind of wrap it up or line it with something, because you will be able to see through those. Those I got from the Dollar General, and they were $3 each. But I like the Santa sacks, and then these were the elf sacks, and I like that color too. I had this, I think I got this, I want to say this star from the thrift store a long time ago. That's the background. You could just see all the mess. That's the reality of having kids on my table. Don't look, don't look. And then here's their stockings. It's really cute. next year I was trying to figure out if I wanted to do more of like a fur stocking theme up here, but we'll see. And then here are all the gingerbread houses. These are from Walmart, guys. I think they were like, I want to say $8 each. And then here are these Santa Claus envelopes that I think I got from Target a few years ago. And so the kids put their Santa Claus wish list in there, even though there is no Santa Claus in here. Santa Claus is my husband, Geronta Claus. I popped a little bit of the candies up here too, from Hobby Lobby, of course. And then guess what? I also have these gingerbread people that I'm going to do a tutorial about. These can be ornaments on your trees, especially this one. This one is made out of clay. This one is actually felt. I actually got that from the dollar store, and just put them up on my mantle because, like I said, we're kind of doing a Candyland type of candy gingerbread type of fun Christmas theme. Over here, I just have this weird little nook that I just kind of threw some stuff on. I have the Santa Stops Here sign and the gingerbread houses. Now this humongous one right here is from QVC. It is very expensive and very huge, but it lights up. It's on a timer. I think it stays on for like maybe 6 hours. And this small one I got from Hobby Lobby, and that one just will stay on all night. So you just got to be mindful of the batteries on that one. And here's my little Barry. I call him Barry, my little gingerbread man over here. And this week, these are about, I think, what is it? $40, but you get 50% off of these. And this week I went back and got him a wife. So the kids have been calling her Gingita. So he wouldn't be lonely. So that's Gingita. We just have to kind of find a place for her. So I am going to, on my next video, kind of show you guys how I made these little 2 gingerbread people. You can see though, with this one, I just painted it. It's made out of clay. Oh, oops, this is stuck to here. Uh-oh. Let me pull this off. Live TV, we're recording. This one is made out of clay, but you see, like, you can take this one and you can like shove it in the tree. They're huge too. They're really big. And I like that. I like the big oversized ornaments on the, why am I dropping everything? I'm dropping everything. I'm trying to show y'all, and I'm dropping everything on the floor. It's just one of those days, I guess. But I'm trying to show you this gingerbread man. I'm trying to put it on the tree and everything's falling off. But, you know, it is what it is. So I'm going to try to shove it in here. Everything's probably going to fall off. Let's see. Okay, he's not staying because I don't have a hook in him yet. And the flocking is falling off. So he's leaning sideways. He doesn't want to sit straight. But anyways, but you can see how that's really cute. So I only was able to make one of these so far, but it's just made out of clay. And I'll show you how to do it. I haven't even painted the back yet, which I have to do that. But I'll just set him back up there. So stay tuned, guys, for the next one. Thanks for watching. All you gotta do is please like and subscribe. The next video will be me showing you how I make my gingerbread men. Thanks. Have a blessed day.